Boy, wake up. We have shopping to go do. Eh? Everybody, good morning. Why yeah man, I did a toss in my sleep coming like I did have a bad dream. I did a dream say yo, Corona never wanna stop. But anyways, just because we're up on the topic of Corona, guess what I'm gonna deal with today? Today, I'm gonna take you into my hometown, Ocho Rio, and then I'll be showing you around my hometown, and then I'm gonna do some quarantine shopping. I'm heading out for essentials. But yeah man, I need to sleep the while I gotta do. But anyways, before me do all of that, I have to go shower up and get myself ready. Yeah man, to touch up, you see me? So, time for me get ready. Boom bang. Alright, so now that I'm done fresh up, wash me hair and everything. Yeah, neat up myself and now and get myself swaggish. Yo. Yeah. Alright, so Kountry Boi ready fi touch road. So alright, I'll meet you in Ocho Rio, alright? Yeah man. Neat up and everything, always looking swag. Yeah, hairstyle is always on fleek. Alright everybody, welcome to my hometown, Ocho Rio. Oh my God, long time, I remember my face, yeah.
Yeah, go on with it.
But there man, yeah dude.
Yeah. Corona be lucky.
You see it inside. That's the way I buy some socks, because I run out of nice black socks, you know. I buy some.
Every day, I mean, I don't have any
What's it in?
every day. Ask brownie, ask double.
Alright, give me two now.
You want the two you want a plain and a knife.
Give me a plain and a knife. Yes, how you think I go on for you?
Why? I don't know, you know, so it's tight for everybody, but
Tight for everybody, but things match up nonetheless.
come out and sell a 5 minutes, say amen.
You see? Hold on for that, man.
Keep it?
Yeah, man, I use that. Yeah. Big up here?
Yes.
Alright, mama. And I think the first thing on my agenda is I might do some essential shopping. Alright, so we're about to begin our essential shopping. Yeah, Kountry Boi in the place, essential shopping mall. Don't know the thing though, family as usual. Get the Team Kountry crew, out. whenever I'm out shopping for essential, like some of the stuff that I would get would be like tin stuff, mostly tin stuff that I can just quickly prepare. So I would get stuff like beef, cornflakes, peanut punch. I have to keep strong in them time, yeah. Milk, yeah. And one of the rarest commodities on earth, solid tissue. Anybody that out there that ain't got none, just let me know. I'll hook you up, okay? Through FedEx or Tara, whichever one. Yeah. Yeah, man. And also we'll get mackerels and so on. And you don't know, if you want to make good cornmeal porridge, yeah. Betty, this is all the milk you need. Watch Katie laugh after me. Yeah, man, so that's how we do it, man. Getting essential with Kountry Boi. Yeah. Alright, so now that we have most of them, we'll go ahead to the cashier, alright? Yo, you know we be here, we be looking at the weirdest thing.
We be looking at the weirdest thing.
The weirdest thing, man. Like, what the hell is this, man? This right here.
Comment below and tell me what it is.
Yeah. Like, how the hell can this be veggie and meat at the same time? That don't make no sense, man. No dollars, homie. Jesus. Alright everybody, so Kountry Boi at it again. So I done get my thing them for my quarantine, my essential goods them, and I have it on a car, I go home. So the second mission I'm up to right now is we are touch Margaritaville, and I'm going to show you a little bit more of my hometown. This is where I used to come chill back in the school days. Corona, I can't go beach no more. Well, this beach rather. Turtle Beach. Like, normally on a weekend, like here where I'm walking now, would be super full. But you know, because of what's going on in the world, you know, a lot of people are more inside than outside. Wow, this is where I'm gonna just come and just relax, man. When I'm not a country boy, I'm a lifeguard. And this is if whenever I come to this beach, it's always business or pleasure. Like when it's business, I would come here to renew my lifeguard license and yeah man, pass it, mash it up and get certified annually as a lifeguard. And the moment when it's pleasure now, this is where I would come to just have a nice beach day, me and my friends, them, my family or whoever. You know, so yeah man. But on a day like this here where I'm walking would normally be full. Welcome to Ocho Rio ship here, everybody. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue our journey onto Margaritaville. Alright, so you know me tell you something they want to taking it to Island Village, right? But you don't know anything, the place still locked down. But I'll have to show you Island Village and what the complex is like maybe in a future video when things kind of open up just a little bit more, because you know it just a start for open up box, so you don't know anything though. But anyways, yeah man, this is original Kountry Boi, and nonetheless I hope you enjoyed everything about this video. Remember to please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again sometime in the future when things open up some more, alright? Alright, so me gone to my yard, gone cook what me buy. Later, country boy, country boy.